Hey, just more rain, you know?
Listen, we've got another chance for storms this afternoon. The pattern will start to break down a little bit this weekend. But in between then, we still have the chance to pick up some very heavy rainfall. Right now, we're still dealing with some flash flood warnings and emergencies. This one's been updated here, so I got to check out what the latest is. But earlier, it was this flash flood warning until 7 a.m. They've changed the color on it here, so that means something maybe a little bit less. But the areas in that beige color flash flood warnings go until 11 o'clock this morning. The dew point, the key here, it's in the low 70s and still going to remain in the low to mid 70s over the next several days, at least through Thursday, likely Friday. Now, what does this mean? Well, the whole area in yellow has got a slight risk. Doesn't mean much to you, right? Slight, who cares? It's all yellow. That means anywhere within that could see very heavy rainfall. We had that same risk yesterday. A few areas got 4 to 8+ inches of rain. Here at the station, 1/4 of an inch. Just so you see what forecasting this is like to try and nail down every area that's going to get excessive rainfall. This is the bullseye here in the metro right now that we're dealing with. From Chester, Colonial Heights, Hopewell, City of Petersburg, Matoaka, Lake Chesdin, North Dinwiddie, Sutherland area, down through most of Prince George, Waverly, Surrey County. Most of these areas receiving between 4 and maybe 8.7 inches of rain from last night through early this morning. That's where the flood emergencies are. Another spot, look at this, Tappahannock to Warsaw, up Richmond County, Essex County. 6+ maybe in a small area there, extending northward through Westmoreland where there's about 4.0. But they had about 3 or 4 yesterday as well up there in Westmoreland. So very, very wet ground in some spots. But some areas are saying, listen, we need some rain. Right? That's the nature of summertime here. We get lots of humidity and lots of storms, a lot of rain in certain areas. Now the rain from last night's moving through Smithfield, Isle of Wight, Southampton area, out of Emporia finally. That was a slow mover for you folks down there this morning. I'm sure you're having some issues as well down in Greensville. We've got this disturbance, this area, that black line right there that's just kind of stuck. It oscillates back and forth, and each afternoon it's been just firing up storms with high humidity. So you get downpour potential. Here's a system down in the coast of Florida, just an area of low pressure, may become Dexter, but that is actually feeding a little vapor in our direction also. It's not a direct hit or anything like that, but it's enhancing some of our moisture, yes. 70s right now across the area. Today we'll look for a high of 88. It's not really a big temperature issue. It's the dew point issue for us. So there'll be another flood watch in effect today, right through tonight, due to the potential for some heavy rain on what is already saturated soil, if not flat out flooded soil. So today, here's this afternoon through 1. Slow-moving storms firing up. There you go. Parts of the metro, 1 to 4. And then that fades out tonight. And then tomorrow, not quite as numerous, but there'll be a few storms around the area tomorrow evening. I know there's a soccer game tomorrow, so we'll see how that goes. And then a few around yet on Thursday. And I think the weekend, the pattern changes. Although we're still leaving in a chance for thunderstorms, just going to be a different variety, probably not as heavy nor widespread. Lows in the 70s, so loaded with humidity right through the next 7. Back to you guys.